Yes, recording is in progress. Yeah, good evening, everyone. Now I'm starting lesson. That which topic we are discussing right now?
About force, sir.
About force. Okay. What is force? Already we discussed about force, right? What is the exact definition of force, ma?
A force is an or push.
Push or pull is called as the force. Already we know that.
Force.
Okay. Now, uh, give me few examples of force. What are the different types of forces?
Magnetic force,
Yes.
field force,
Yes.
contact, physical force,
Okay.
and etc.
Yeah, contact force and field force. Okay, we call it as a field force. Okay.
Field.
Now, next, what is contact force? What is contact force?
The force that we applying force to an object is called contact force.
Yes. Okay. Means here what I'm telling. When we apply a force or when we apply a force on something until and up to at that time the object is at rest. Is it right? Object is at rest. Okay. When
Yes.
we apply some force only the object move from one place to other place. Is it right? Okay.
Okay.
And what is the definition of force, ma? Push or pull is called force. Is it right? Okay. Give me one example of pushing force, one example of pull, and one example of both push and pull. Tell me
Sir,
one example.
cycling, sir.
Yes,
Cycling
okay.
for push.
Uh,
Cycling for push, sir.
okay, cycling is a example of push. Okay. Gayatri, give me example of pull.
Lifting a bag, sir.
Lifting a bag. Okay. Now, Navya, give me example both push and pull.
Digging borewell, sir.
Digging a borewell. Balaji, next one more. Give one more example, Balaji.
Sir.
One more example, both push and pull. One more example I need. Here she said that Gayatri and Navya said that digging a borewell is activity both push and pull. Is it right? Now,
Yes.
I need one more example of push and pull. Tell me one more example of push and pull.
Erasing blackboard.
What, ma'am?
Erasing blackboards.
Yes, erasing a blackboard. Okay. When we are rubbing like this at that time, what we are able to observe, we need to act both push as well as pull. Okay. Now Lahiri, tell me one example of pulling. Pulling.
Bicycle.
Bicycle is a pushing. Pulling, I need example of pulling. Okay, we can observe.
Magnet.
Yeah, hoisting a flag. Yes, hoisting a flag is a pulling. Okay. Now falling fruit from the tree is pushing or pulling, Ray?
Pulling,
No, sir.
sir.
No,
Pulling,
pushing.
sir.
Yes. Who is pulling? Who is pulling?
Gravitational force, sir.
Which force, sir?
Gravitational force.
Gravitational force.
Gravitational force. Okay, gravitational force, gravitational pull, anything we call it, ma. Okay. And next one, next one is, okay, you can do so few more activities, and also we discussed about contact force yesterday, right? Different types of forces. One is a contact
Yes,
force. Okay. So by seeing the picture itself, we can able to tell that. Okay. By observing the figure, sir, we can tell that here when we apply a force. Okay. When we apply a force on the tube, at that time paste comes out of the tube. Is it right? Okay. That is example of contact force. Okay. When we apply a force on the tube, paste comes out of the tube. Okay. So that is the example of contact force. And next one is what, ma? Magnet. And in picture 1b, we can able to observe there is a magnet. Around the magnet, what is there? Around the magnet?
No, nail.
That is not nail, ma. Compass.
Okay, sir. Compass.
Amshika. Always eating Amshika. తింటూనే ఉంటావా నాన్న నువ్వు? ఎప్పుడు నోరు ఆడిస్తూనే ఉంటావు. ఆపు, తినడం ఆపే. Okay. Now listen, stop eating and listen, ma. Stop eating and listen the lesson. Okay. Now, let us see here. Why do the toothpaste come out when we press the tube? Okay, all these are questions. Hem Kumar, once go through this paragraph.
Okay, sir. Why does the toothpaste come out when we press the tube? Why does the needle of magnetic compass move when we place a bar magnet near it? Have you observed the difference between the force you applied on the tube and the force applied by a magnet on the needle of compass?
Okay, here in this paragraph, they were discussing about force applied on the tube and also needle deflected in the compass. Okay, what is the difference between both of them? Okay, now we are going to learn in this topic. Okay, what is that? In figure 1A, you observe that there is a direct physical contact between yourself, your hand and the tube. Is it right, right? Yes. Okay. In this, yes, in figure 1A లో మీరు ఏం అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినారంటే డైరెక్ట్ దెర్ ఇస్ అ కాంటాక్ట్. ఓకే, డైరెక్ట్ దెర్ ఇస్ అ కాంటాక్ట్ బిట్వీన్ హూమ్ అండ్ హూమ్. ఎవరెవరి మధ్యలో కాంటాక్ట్ ఉంది? దెర్ ఇస్ అ కాంటాక్ట్ బిట్వీన్ toothpaste and your hand. Okay, hand. Okay, now between tube and hand, force which is results when there is a direct physical contact between two interacting objects is called contact force. Okay, that is called as what ma contact. ఏం రాస్తున్నావా అంశిక బోర్డ్ పైన? అబ్జయ్ అవన్నీ అబ్జయ్ రబ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, rub everything. Okay, ma. Yes. So what is contact force? What is the definition of contact force, Gayatri? Finally, when there is a force. Okay, what is that? When there is a force between what and what, ma?
Force which where there is direct physical contact between two interacting objects is called as contact force.
Yes, direct physical contact between two interacting objects. They were telling that two interacting objects. What are the two interacting objects here?
Toothpaste and brush.
Yes, toothpaste and brush. Okay, toothpaste and brush are two interacting, okay, objects. Okay, now, okay, and next, what is the next one? The needle of the compass. Okay, what is that? The needle of the compass changes its direction without any physical contact with the bar magnet. Okay, here in this needle of the compass, here they consider a compass, right? Okay, we consider a compass. Okay, the needle of the compass is deflecting without any, okay, external force. Okay, without any external force, the needle is deflecting. Okay, so the needle of the compass changes its direction without any physical contact, okay, with the bar magnet, but a force must be acting on the needle. Okay, the force which is occur without any physical contact between the object is known as force at a distance or field force. Okay, here what we are discussing here, there is a force without any contact. Okay, without any contact, the needle in the compass is deflected. Is it right? Compass lo na needle ఏమవుతుందా ఇక్కడ డిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, అదే ఇక్కడ ఫోర్స్ ఏమైనా ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఫోర్స్ డైరెక్ట్ గా ఏమైనా ఇచ్చామా మనము? ఏమి ఇవ్వగా. ఓకే, but the force is acting, but a force must be acting on the needle. Okay, మనం డైరెక్ట్ గా అప్లై చేయకపోయినా ఏమవుతుంది అక్కడ ఆ నీడిల్ పైన ఫోర్స్ యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. The force which occur without any physical contact between the two objects is known as force at a distance or field force. Okay, force at a distance or field force. Understood, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
okay. So what Amshika, read this. Amshika, ఇక్కడ నుంచి చదువు నాన్న. అంశిక,
సార్
ఇక్కడ నుంచి చదవా? ద ఫోర్స్ విచ్ అని ఉంది చూడండి, అక్కడ నుంచి చదవండి అమ్మా. మీ అన్నయ్యేడి శివప్రసాద్ ఏడి? శివప్రసాద్ చదువు నాన్న, ఇక్కడ నుంచి చదువు. ద ఫోర్స్ విచ్ అక్కర్. రీడ్ నాన్న. The force which occur without any physical contact.
Without any physical contact between two observers is known as a force at the direction of
Field force. Okay, so here very important definitions underlying this, the contact force definition and field force
Sir, I
field force
underline.
definition. Okay, now let us see here. Field force is, okay, yeah, field force is nothing but the force which occur, okay, the force which occur without any physical contact between how many objects? Two objects, okay, without any physical contact between two objects is known as force at a distance or field force, okay. Force at a distance or field force. If anyone asks what is the definition, okay, what is the definition of a contact force, means you need to tell that, sir, there is a force, okay, there is a force between two objects, okay, interacting objects, that is directly physical contact between the two interacting objects is known as contact force, and the force which occur between two bodies without direct physical contact is called as what, ma? Field force, okay. And next one, yeah, next one, let us see. Yes, one more activity, magnetic force, okay, force acting at a distance, okay. What is the next topic? Force acting at a distance, field forces, okay, forces acting at a distance, field forces, ma. Let us see magnetic force. You must have done some experiment with magnets in class 9 6th. Let us recall some experiments, okay. Sir, you did some experiment in class 6 it seems, okay. Class 6th class lo even experiments chesara meeru?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
With what? దేంతో చేశారు experiments?
Bar magnet.
Yes, with bar magnet. Yeah, horseshoe magnet, very good. Bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, ring magnet, etc. Okay, there are so many different magnets are there. Okay, now with that magnets we did few experiment in class 6th itself. Okay, let us see what we need to do now. Yes, read Hem Kumar or Gayatri, you should read, ma.
I will read, sir.
You will read, huh? First,
Yes,
let her
sir.
read. Activity 2, Navya and Gayatri, they both will read. Read, ma.
Okay, sir. Magnetic force.
Take a
Rub it with a bar magnet several times, always moving the magnet in the same direction. Does the needle get magnetized? You may find that the needle always acts like a magnet. With the help of magnetic compass, you can identify the north and south poles for the needle. Pin a red colored cork ball to south pole and white ball to north pole of the needle. Then drop it in a bowl of water.
Okay, now listen here. You have to take a needle. Okay, swing needle is nothing but what? బట్టలు కుట్టే సూది ఉంటుంది చూడు, అలాంటి సూది తీసుకోండి మా. టేక్ స్వింగ్ నీడిల్ అండ్ రబ్ ఇట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ఆన్ ద మ్యాగ్నెట్. ఓకే, టేక్ ఎ మ్యాగ్నెట్, ఒక మ్యాగ్నెట్ తీసుకొని ఆ మ్యాగ్నెట్ పైన స్వింగ్ నీడిల్ తోని రబ్ చేస్తూ ఉండండి. ఏమైంది హేమ్ కుమార్? వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్ రే?
Nothing, sir.
Then listen the lesson. Okay, so take a sewing machine and start rubbing on the magnet. Okay, okay, magnet తీసుకోండి, sewing machine తీసుకోండి and start rubbing. After some time, is the needle get magnetized or not magnetized? Is the needle
Magnetized, sir.
Yes, it is magnetized. Okay, adi magnetized ainaka the needle acts as a compass. Okay, now the needle acts as a compass. Okay, now adi needle ikkada edaithe compass undo ala needle acts as a compass. Okay, and now take two cork balls, and one is colored with red color and other is colored with what, ma? White color, and insert the red color on the south pole and white ball on the north pole and just throw it in a water. Okay, and what do you observe? What do you observe in that? Okay, sir, make another needle in the same way, float both the needles side by side such that like and facing each other. What happened to the needle? How do they move? Now place the needle in such a way that unlike ends faces each other. Now observe what happened this time. how do they push or pull each other. Okay, అర్థమైందా? ఇక్కడ ఏం చెప్తున్నారమ్మా, you have to take a needle. Okay, ఒక needle తీసుకోండి, సూది తీసుకొని బాగా magnet పైన రబ్ చేయండి. Take a magnet and rub along the magnet. Okay, and after that take two color balls, one is red color and one is a white color, and red color and white color. Red color you have to pin a red color cork ball on the south pole and white color cork ball on the which pole? North pole. Okay, and throw it in the water. Okay, throw it in a water. Okay, and after some time take one. నేను రిమూవ్ చేసేస్తున్నాను మాంసిక. I am removing you. Can I remove you? ఏం మళ్ళీ తమాషాలు అవుతున్నాయా? Okay, now listen. So after that you observe that take one more needle and repeat the same activity, rub it on the magnet, and second needle also magnetized. Okay, and you have to insert two cork balls, red color and white color, red color on the south pole and white color on the north pole as like previous. Okay, now how many pins are there in water ball? How many pins are there? Two pins.
sir.
Two pins. ఒక పిన్ రబ్ చేసి మ్యాగ్నటైజ్ చేసి వాటర్ బౌల్ లో వేస్తా. నా వన్ మోర్ పిన్ తీసుకొని మ్యాగ్నటైజ్ చేసి కార్క్ పెట్టి దాంట్లో వేసిన. ఇప్పుడు లైట్ పోల్స్ రెండు ఒక దగ్గర వచ్చేలాగా చూసుకోండి. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? లైట్ పోల్స్ రెండు ఒక దగ్గర వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? ఈజ్ ది అట్రాక్ట్ ఆర్ రిపెల్?
Sir, like not attract, sir. Unlike poles attract.
Light poles are
Not attract, sir.
yeah,
Repel,
not
sir.
attract. Very good. Light poles are repel. Not attract is nothing but what ma? Repels. Okay. Light poles are repel. Unlike poles are attracted. Very good. Okay. Like poles are repel and unlike poles are attracted. Okay. So here that is only happening here. Means from this we can able to tell that push or pull. I said na, push or pull. In this, like poles are pull, like poles are pushes and unlike poles are pulling. Is it right? Okay. Now let us see here. You have learned that in class 6, poles of two magnets repel each other and unlike poles are attract each other. Okay, so like poles are repel and unlike poles are attracted. Okay, you can observe that red end of one needle and white end of another needle are attracted each other. Is it right, ma? Yes. Okay, when we observe the needles, okay, red end of the needle and white end of the other needle are attracted. Is it right, Gayatri? Yes.
Yes.
Red end of one needle and white end of the other needle are attracted. In the same way, suppose red end of one needle and red end of other needle are repelled. That is, when same colors are repelled, unlike colors are attracted. Okay. Now you can know that like poles repel or pushes each other away and unlike poles are pull. Okay, so ఇక్కడ ఏం చెప్తున్నారు? లైక్ పోల్స్ ఆర్ పుషెస్. ఓకే, లైక్ పోల్స్ రెండు దగ్గరికి తీసుకొచ్చినాం అనుకో, అది ఏమవుతుంది? పుష్ అవుతుంది. అట్లానే అన్లైక్ పోల్స్ దగ్గరికి ఏమవుతుంది మా? అట్రాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, పుష్ ఆర్ పుల్. ద ఫోర్స్ బిట్వీన్ దెమ్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ as magnetic force. Okay, the force arised is called as a magnetic force. A magnet can attract or repel another magnet without contact, so magnetic force is the field force. Okay, this magnetic force, okay, what they were telling, a magnet can attract or repel another magnet. Is it right, ma? Yes. Okay, magnet సో మ్యాగ్నెట్ అట్రాక్ట్ చేయగలుగుతుంది, అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఏం చేయగలుగుతుంది మా? రిపల్ కూడా అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో మ్యాగ్నెట్ అట్రాక్ట్ ఆర్ రిపల్. సో మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫోర్స్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ as which force ma? Which force? Field force. Yes, magnetic force is also called as what? Field force. Okay, so that's all. Okay, that's all for today. Main topic finished. Okay.